In this video, we will show you how to change the light mode on the N-Series IP camera. There are two ways to access the light mode settings inside the cameras. Method 1 is through the web interface of the cameras. You can access the web interface either by having the camera on the same local area network of the PC, or by utilizing the virtual host links on the NVR. First, we need to log in. The default username and password are admin1234556. Head over to Configurations. You can find the light mode setting under Media Setup, then Image Setup. Here you can choose one of the three light modes. Infrared mode turns off the white LED at night and is black and white night vision. White mode keeps the LED on at night and has color night vision. Smart mode uses the infrared image until an AI event triggers the LED light, at which point the image will turn color. Method 2 is using the setting tool. Simply go to the Configurations panel. Highlight your camera, Media Setup, and then Image Setup. Here you will see the same light mode settings.